I'm Lainey Wilson, and T-Mobile asked me to show y'all some of my essentials that I take on tour. Of course, I gotta have on my bell bottoms. And also, I gotta have my hats. This one right here, it says country's cool again, because I think it is. And I'm not just talking about country music, I'm talking about the Western way of life. It's really cool to see people interested in the way that I grew up. This guitar. I learned how to play this guitar when I was 11 years old, and this is how I feel the most connected and the most at home. I think it is really important when you are living a fast-paced life like we do to stay as connected as you possibly can. So for me, that is reading a good book. I love doing anything that makes me feel grounded and makes me feel at home, but I love my cheese. I love my beef jerky. I love my chocolate. That's good. I miss home a whole lot when I'm on the road. I'm not gonna lie. And I catch myself going through my phone and looking at pictures and videos that make me feel like I'm at home. Pictures of my dog, Hippie Mae Wilson. She is spoiled rotten. It is her life and I am living in it. It's those things that remind me where I come from and remind me the way that I was raised and the people that raised me. I cannot wait to see y'all at my shows. And don't forget, T-Mobile customers get exclusive access to T-Mobile reserve tickets for my tour, even the sold out shows. Cannot wait to see y'all there.